How to change calls ringtone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone for incoming WhatsApp calls. So if you want to personalize your call notification sound, just follow these simple steps. So first open the WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on the option Label Settings. And once you are in the Settings section, simply scroll down and tap on Notification. And this will take you to the another page where you need to scroll down to the Call section. And here you simply need to tap on Ringtone. Now comes the fun part. A small pop-up window will appear prompting you to choose a sound. So select the sounds folder to access the available ringtone. Now listen to the different option and pick the one that you like the best. And once you have made your selection, simply tap on OK to confirm. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed the ringtone for WhatsApp calls. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.